Hi, I'm Art McPherson with McPherson Financial Group.
And I'm Christian McPherson. Welcome to your July 2025 State of the Market Update. This month, the spotlight was on major tax legislation, the One Big Beautiful Bill. Signed into law on July 4th, the bill aims to extend and expand several key tax provisions, affecting both individual households and businesses. Markets viewed it as a meaningful policy shift with the potential to impact consumer spending, corporate earnings, and broader economic sentiment.
That optimism helped lift equity markets in the first month. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ all reached new highs. The passage of the Big Beautiful Bill also boosted consumer confidence. The bill made the tax cut permanent. It introduced a new $6,000 deduction for seniors over the age of 65, and that means a married couple can have a $12,000 deduction. It suspended tax on tips and for overtime of qualified earners through 2028.
From a market perspective, the bill was seen as a supportive force, regardless of political lines. It included expanded deductions for families, extended business tax relief, and provisions designed to boost domestic investment. While analysts defer on long-term impact, the short-term response was clear: increased optimism around growth and liquidity heading into year-end.
Still, policy wasn't the only driver in July. The Federal Reserve held rates steady for the fifth consecutive time. However, we had two members dissenting, which was the first time that's ever happened in the history of the Fed. Inflation also continues to cool. The labor market data showed signs of softening. Markets are also pricing in high probability of a rate cut in September.
On the global front, a new trade agreement between the US and EU helped ease tariff tensions. While concerns around China, energy, and global supply chains continue to keep markets alert, while the headlines shift, the message for investors remains the same. Resilience comes from preparation, not prediction.
In summary, July brought a blend of market strength, policy momentum, and ongoing uncertainty. So diversification remains the key, and long-term discipline is still your best defense. Again, thanks for joining us, and always stay classy, Brevard County, Indian River County, and the entire Space Coast.